How to get a sick leave certificate in Itanagar? Ever forced yourself to work while feeling sick? The medical certificate in sick leave certificate is your official pass to rest and recover without the stress of work piling up. The hustle is real. Long commutes, packed clinics, and workplace pressure make it tough to put health first. Why get a sick leave certificate? Peace of mind, rest without guilt or work stress. Professionalism, show your employer you take health seriously. Convenience, no long queues. Get certified from anywhere. How to get your certificate? Visit medicalcertificate.in, fill in your details, consult a government-registered doctor online, receive your certificate digitally in minutes, take the break you deserve, visit medicalcertificate.in and get your sick leave certificate hassle-free.